Alright, Eugene back we have repair here with another. We got ourselves here a Husqvarna 45. As you can see, I put some pictures on my Instagram too. She's dirty. She really dirty. Not sure when the last time it was used. Previous owner said it did run good. It was run when it ran when it was parked. Anyway, it's Husqvarna, so as we all know, it's one of the greatest saws that ever produced. Lots of power, compact, really small. You got your brake on here. You got your good size, like 16 or 18 inch bar. For a small saw. It's a 45, which I'm guessing is 45 cc. But we know how great they are. They run for a long time. They weigh 80 pounds for those saw. So when this thing doesn't run no more, it's got this nice big handle here you can tie a rope to, put it in your boat, and throw it out in the river, and it'll definitely hold your boat from going downstream. So it's got to be the greatest saw ever made. Anyway, it is filthy. Previous owner said he knows the stop switch does not work. Well, yeah, it doesn't do anything. Just no click, no nothing. So that needs to be addressed. The filth needs to be addressed. I don't even want to work on it right now. I mean, I'm not a sissy, but there's no reason for this much grease to be on your saw. Hose it off once in a while. It ain't gonna hurt it. Hose it, start it up, let it run for a while, leave it outside from the sun, let it dry off. Need a sip of my coffee. Hang on. Well, anyway, we're gonna start with washing this thing off. We're not gonna put that in the video. I'm gonna pause it here and or stop it here and go out and wash this off. Well, at least they ripped the tag on, so it won't wash off. Well, that tag they ripped on. That must be an information tag. The warning label's just a label. And that's it. The only thing I gotta do is worry about not knocking the warning label off. Alright, we'll pause the video and we'll bring you back when I wash this off. I mean, it's raining outside today, but it won't take but a couple minutes to wash this off. Hang on. Alright, we're back. As you can see, she's a little cleaner. My mom's actually outside right now using the pressure washer. She's even at her age, I didn't even get the pull start for her. She decided she's gonna pull start it. So you can't stop my family. They are determined to do something. They do it. So yeah, you hear a little noise in the background. It's the pressure washer. All right, let's get a screwdriver, get this cover off. Take a look at this kill switch. Husqvarna makes it so simple. You usually got 4 screws in one screw in the center. It's just a cover. It just needs to hold it down. So I don't know why the other manufacturers got to put so many screws on. Yeah. A little bit on the inside. Not too bad. Try to dry it off here quick. She's about to take her back out to the pressure washer. She's pretty filthy. Air filter's not bad. All right, looks like the kill switch is actually broken. Yeah, I see carnage in here. I see part of the switch back here. It looks like the entire back of the switch broke out. Yeah, I'm trying to see how this comes off. If it just slides out. Yeah, it just slides out. Oh no. It's got a ground wire off to the side, so that's how it works. It must ground it through this wire. Yep, through the chassis. And then, yep, that's how it works. That's the smallest. That's gotta be a flathead. was just about to say that's the smallest nut I've seen. Like that was, I'm not sure what size that would have been. Oh, they put a nut on the inside. Oh, be gift. Yep. There's a nut on the inside. I wonder how they held it tight. Well, now I know. Boy, you drop that and you'll never find that again. See if I can get it out here without losing it. Put it back on, I'll show you. It's gotta be a 440 screw. See right there? It is tiny. Tiny. I have a feeling I'll put this on the table, I'm gonna lose it. I'll put it in my back pocket. Let's take a look at this switch. There is nothing left in the switch. It just broke to pieces. Try to get that other half out. Yeah. Not exactly sure how the switch worked at one time, but it's definitely missing parts. I see. Terminal was on one side. Terminal was over here. We're missing the piece that goes in between the two. Well, that sucks. I'll be going on the internet to find one of these because I don't know where else I can get one. I guess I can get a 2-wire switch. Oh. We'll have to check it the tractor supply, see if I can find a 2-wire switch that's that size. It slides back and forth, and maybe I can just plug a wire, put a terminal on this and plug a wire on each side. Should we see if it runs? Carburetor's dry, I ain't getting no water in there. I might bag this and wash the inside because that's where all the sawdust went. Oh, she got some compression. Yeah, she got some compression. I hope she got any fuel in it. I hope not. Why, people? You really, I can see they used the screwdriver. It comes with this thing on here. I don't know why. Doesn't need to be that tight. Yeah. I gotta get a pair of pliers. Pair of channel locks. There might be a part two to this one. We can't sell it without that switch, so can't pass it on to the next person. There is fuel in there. Not the worst smelling fuel I've ever smelled, but choke. Think I'll start. Pretty sure the gentleman told me he doesn't know the last time when this ran. The wire out. Or wire? No, that's a fuel line. It's got a little 2 ears in here. Side here that right in there. 2 ears that hold the fuel line. Nothing major. Man, stinks though. I have to wait a week for this switch to come in. Yep. It's missing the whole bar that goes inside here that slides back and forth between the contacts. I don't think it's inside. I'm pretty sure somebody used this since the switch broke. Yeah, them pieces are probably long, long gone. Oh well. Let's see if she runs. See if I can knock you guys to the ground because she's sitting on my vise. Hmm. I'm gonna take this to the floor and try starting it because I can see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna shake you guys off. If we turn this, you can see. Stay, stay. Good boy or girl. Sure, maybe. I'm kidding. I thought it was going over. Okay. Spit dirt out. Well, not much of a repair video on this one. It runs. Let's see, don't get turned in. Let's see if it shuts off by that switch. Well, we're not going to use the switch. We're going to set the wires to each other. Well, I'm not getting shot. Alright, so it does work. Bring it back up here on the bench. Runs good. Turn you guys back. Yeah, so this was a good yard sale find. The guy was very honest. Hard to find anybody that's honest anymore. I don't think he really trying to rip anybody off because it was an estate sale, so they're just trying to get rid of the item. So as he says, he doesn't have to throw them out. Filter's really clean. No, I'll rinse it off anyway. Oh, this was an easy one though. But I don't think we'll have part two of putting the switch in, but we can get it clean and fixed and send on to the next person. All right, we're back. We pulled the covers off. We'll release the pole star side. Cleaned it all out. Air filter cover. Cleaned it out. Just wanted to start over. That way whoever gets it, it's not well. The pole star locked up because it was full of sawdust or the air filter right there. All cleaned out. The air filter is no good because it's all clogged up. So I'm not trying to cheat anybody out of their money. I'm just trying to make sure they get the best thing they can get for the least amount of money, actually. So I'll probably get $60, $70 maybe out of it. You can't even buy a Walmart off of that price. You can keep so you're gonna get from Walmart is like $180, somewhere around there. So screws back in. I want to make sure it's dry before I put the bar cover back on. I might even pull off the chain side. That's where if anybody's ever cleaned their saw, which most people don't, but anyway, if anybody's ever cleaned their saw, or maybe even changed the chain, they know that's where most of the stuff is, because of the bar oil building up inside of there. Cover here. Even much to hold this cover on. Just sits here. Yeah. Just sit there and then you knock it off as you can, put the cover back on. Well, that's a lousy idea. It's got to go on better than that. We got it backwards. No. Goes down and does not, but then pop right back out. Huh. It's gotta be backwards. I didn't take it. It fell off when I took the cover off. There we go. Now it's snapped on. That's what I was looking for. Or I was expecting. Still this pull start cover. Oh, ain't that a pain in the butt. You get this cover over, the air filter's right in the way. Yeah. That's a lousy design. Alright, I'm gonna take this off. Maybe it is backwards now. Try it the other way. And now it wants to hold. It seems to only want to go on that one way, but it seems backwards, like the grooves need to face the other way. When I took it apart, it just kind of fell apart. Now you want to put it back together, the one ear keeps catching on the filter. Well, there's a stinky design. Yep, this piece of plastic right here keeps catching the air filter as you're trying to shove it on, catches the fins. Come on, there we go. Well, what the bad part about this is, I gotta take this back apart to put that switch in. That's the bad part. What's wrong here? A gap of source going on. There we go. I say it wasn't dropping down. There's a gapper over here in the corner. Alright, that's all we're gonna do in this video. You know it runs. You know I cleaned it up. Got to order that switch. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna try local. So if I find something that's the same size, I'll slide it in there. Even if it's a 2-terminal, I'll put a terminal on the other side and just plug them both in. That's how most of them are anyway. I have a part saw somewhere. Don't know where I put it, but I have a part saw somewhere. Oh, it's way up on the top shelf in my garage here. Anyway, so maybe we'll take a look at that. Oops, whoops, whoops. And we're a little bit crooked here. Hang on, I'm fixing the camera. Got any information on this, please like, share, subscribe. Just a general maintenance, I was gonna say. I wouldn't call it repair, it's just a general maintenance on your saw. You know, before the season starts, where you're out there cutting wood. I mean, people do cut in the summer, but they're tougher than me. I really cut when it's towards the fall, where it's a little cooler. But anyway, like I said, like, share, subscribe. Check me out on Instagram and on Facebook. Parts, projects, funny videos, Drift Girl, things in nature, screenshots, you know, anything like that. Go check them out. Sign up for both of them, and hit that thumbs up, please, if you would. Make a comment, which pretty much help out the channel. I appreciate that very much. Appreciate all the people that subscribe, and we're out of here. Peace. Except for this little crack right there. Not a bad saw. Alright, we're out of here. Alright, Eugene's Backyard Repair. Just a quick update. New stop switch has been installed. What a pain in the butt to find it, because they switched out the stop switch types to a different type. Just the way the ground wire hooks up. The original. Hang on, if I can let go here. You took the screw over here, and now there's a tab off the switch that it hooks to. So I just put the screw back in the hole, cover it up. Anyway, it's back on and fixed the right way, just like I said it would be. All right, we're out here. Peace.